Today we're looking at part number 6-190. This is the Dexter trailer spindle nut retainer. So on Dexter axles, and to my knowledge only Dexter axles, they use this nut retainer instead of using a cotter pin. So this takes place of the cotter pin on the Dexter axles. They don't use a castle nut either. It's similar to a castle nut, but they call it a spindle jam nut. So what this does is it latches onto the spindle nut to keep it in place. And it just snaps on, and it would look like this. And that's what they use to keep them in place. And they use them on 2K axles, 3,500 pound axles, 52, 6s, 7s, 8s. So this one's pretty universal for all the 8K axles and down on the Dexter axles. So I'll just measure it real quick for you. The outer diameter of this guy is 1.68 inches, and the inner diameter is 1.04 inches. And Dexter also uses a D-type spindle. So instead of the spindle being round, it has a little flat piece on it, so it's not completely round. And you can see that right here on this retainer nut. That's why it's not fully round. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching.